Welcome back. If you are on this video, be sure to catch the previous video of how to add a text to a reel. Now that we have the font here, this is how you are going to change the fonts within the Instagram app.
If I gotta be a bitch, I'ma be a bad one.
Click what you already have, and you will see at the bottom it gives you options of the different types of fonts you can use. So we have A, and I'm gonna just write, hey, my name is Alexandria, just so you all can see what they all look like. So this is the first font. And this is the second font. This one is the third font. You know what? I could just copy and paste this, huh? And so let me do that. Let me do that. Hey. Then this is the second one. Now let me go into white so you all can see it better. Well, not the second one, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 one. And then here's this one. So these are all the fonts that are in Instagram within the Instagram app. So you have, and I've never counted them before, so let's see how many are actually in this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 font options are within the Instagram app. So that is the end of part 2 of my how to reel series. Definitely go check out the other parts if you found this video first. And part 1 is in part 1 I walk you through how to add text to a reel. Thank you for watching. Bounce back game good while we talking practice. Yeah. Pull up score when I want to. Best thing next to heaven.